Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Kanya Mbao's recent pictures gets Mzansi talking, and some of the people are saying she doesn't look naturally, she looks somehow, which that is very understandable because she was very vocal about her surgeries. She even posted on social media. We all know that everything that is on her face, on her body, and everything is just not natural. So I don't think there is any reason for us to be going back and forth and talking about this whole situation. What no, she looks somehow, she doesn't look natural, she looks botched, which is just so unnecessary, guys. Everyone is just throwing their harsh comments towards her. Nope, this is really bad, and this only happened now when she posted her picture where she was with Sorisha Naidu, and your guys, it did not end well with her. And some people were just shocked about how these two women look alike. Like you can actually see that with these people, they do look alike with no doubt. And people were just surprised with how come, like what's going on. Ever since she have done her facial surgeries, she have become the topic in South Africa, guys. Everyone is just talking about her. At first, people were laughing at her, obviously, by the way she looked at first. Remember, the surgeries, they do take time to actually put together your face into what you wanted. So at first, people were laughing, and she was all over the social media. And when she came out, when she was completely healed, and people were just surprised, were just shocked with Haibo. We actually laughed early. We were supposed to wait and see where this is going, and now here we go again. People are still commenting about her facial looks, her complexion, and it's just so tiring. Let's just let her be.